wave P. Source, origin, mechanism of wave P. Which process? Huh? Atrial depolarization. Depolarization of the whole atrial myocardial cells. Of the all myocardial contractile cells of arteries. That's wave P. Origin of wave P. Then we have isoelectric line. That's PQ interval. That's isoelectric line. That means that there's electrical silence of heart between the depolarization of arteries, wave P, and then Q, wave Q. That's depolarization of ventricles, QRS. That's ventricular complex. So we see that between the depolarization of arteries and depolarization of ventricles, there is electrical silence of heart. That's interval PQ. So what happens during this period between the depolarization of arteries and depolarization of ventricles? What happens? Why there is such electrical silence of heart? What's delay where? In atrioventricular node, there happens delay, and this delay we may measure by measuring interval PQ. That's important because atrioventricular delay, it should not be shorter or longer than special some limits of time, some values. It can be shorter because then there will be no time for blood to flow from arteries to ventricles. Blood should have some time to flow. It can't simultaneously pass into the ventricles. So AV delay can't be shorter than some minimal value. And also it can be longer, because if atrioventricular delay would be increased in time, it may be completely blocking passage of depolarization from arteries to ventricles. In such case, we telling that there is atrioventricular blockade or transversal heart blockade, and in such case we will observe depolarization and contraction of arteries, but no depolarization, no contraction of the ventricles. There will be no cardiac output, cardiac stroke, and there will be heart failure, and this person may die under atrioventricular blockade. So AV delay can be longer than some maximal longest value of this delay. So in some cases, it's important to us to measure this AV delay. We may only measure AV delay by measuring PQ interval in ECG. So you will use ECG in different to diagnose, to know many processes, different processes of heart, to study heart function under some diseases, angina pectoris and others. But also you will use ECG to measure AV delay by measuring PQ interval. So who is Aquila here? Aquila here, and that's absent.